Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. Today we've installed the i96 Pro on this Jaguar F-Pace. So the way the system works is if someone gets in, clones the key, tries to start it, the vehicle won't start. You have to go through either a push sequence or have the customer's paired phone to start the vehicle. So the way you do that is ignition on, pop in the code, we've set it to 1, 2, 3 for now. Receive a melody, put your foot on the brake and now you can start. If the customer wants to change the code at any time, this is done by ignition on, disarm the system, then press any button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, ignition back on, we'll get 5 bleeps. So now this is ready to learn. So now every button I press will give me a bleep to confirm the code. So we'll just change it to this button here. 2, 3. Wait for a confirmation. Repeat the code again. Get the same confirmation. And that's the code changed. So give it about 10 seconds, we can test that. So ignition on. That was too soon. Give it 10 seconds. So ignition on, put the code in. Now we can start it. If the customer wants to put it in service mode at any point, this is how it's done. Ignition on, disarm the system, get your melody, then press any button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off, back on, you get 2 bleeps. So this is a normal car now, this is in service mode, so they can drive it around the workshop, service it, do what they need to do, and it will start up as normal, no need for a code. When you get it back, simply ignition on, pop in your disarm code, 2 bleeps, this car's protected again. If you want to get one of these fitted on your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Once again, it's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.